taking my hand, leading the way, staying the night. Looking at you, making your moves, there is no silence.
Hello beautiful, I hope you are still doing well. If it's your first time here, my name is Peladi, and in today's makeup tutorial I'm going to start off by priming my face with my Catrice Keep Me Matte primer.
I just wanna dance with you, feeling that burn, I'm not getting out. Yeah, baby, you make me lose my mind.
And then for foundation, I will be using my Yardley Stay Fast foundation, and I'm in the shade MD5W. Mind you, this is for combination to oily skin.
Change that. Talk to me, babe. Fall for me, babe. Need you to hear me. Never have a...
Right, so up next I am going to set this foundation just a tad bit to keep it in place with my Yardley loose powder. This one is in the shade Cuppacino.
Looking so sweet, but you're dynamite. I just wanna dance with you, feeling that burn, I'm not getting out. Yeah, baby, you make me lose my mind.
Up next, today I'm going to conceal and highlight using my LA Girl Pro Conceal, but this one is in the shade Warm Honey.
For you, you made it easy for me, yeah. Nothing that you could ever do would make me leave you, baby. I feel for you, you made it easy for me, yeah. Nothing that you, baby, you make me lose my mind. Maybe you wanna stay the night. Time goes fast, I don't care. I've known you long enough.
Beauties, right now that everything is well blended, I'm going to go in and set it with my LA Girl Pro powder. This one is the banana one. Alrighty, so now I'm going to snatch my nose first before I snatch the rest of my face, and I will be using my Wet n Wild pressed powder. This one is in the shade Dark Cafe. Now for the rest of my face, I am going to be using my Maybelline Fit Me pressed powder. This one is in the shade 370. Sometimes I accuse this contour shade of being too dark, but sometimes it just hits me in the right spots, just like it has done today. Alright beauty, so now that the face is looking all types of snatched, I'm going to go on in and soften the edges further using my Yardley Stay Fast pressed powder in the shade Walnut. Now to prep my lid base, I will be going in with my Makeup Revolution Conceal and Define Concealer. This one is in the shade C10. So for eyes, the palette I will be playing in is this one by NYX, and it's their Ultimate Bright palette. And the first shade I will be picking up is this purple one right here on my Zoeva 228 brush. Using the same brush, I'm going to immediately buff out any harsh edges and just actually blow out this purple shade. And now to intensify this purple shade even more, I'm going to head on over to another NYX Ultimate palette. This is the Phoenix one, and I will take this black shade right here on this small blending brush. And then I will go back into the purple shade and pat it along where I just applied that black shade and just marry it into the black. And now to cut my crease, I will be going in with that same Makeup Revolution Conceal and Define Concealer in the shade C10. Now I'm going to use both of those shades that I used to seal off the outer part of this cut crease and create a gradient effect. Now I'm going to go into the palette and I will take this yellow shade right here on this Yardley brush. And now up next, I'm going to top off that matte yellow shade with this shimmer one right here on this concealer brush. And now for the innermost part of my eye, I'm going to go into my highlighter balm and I will take this one right here on this Yardley brush. Alright, so up next, I'm going to give myself a wing using my Essence Super Lost Deep Black Eyeliner. And then I'm going to wear my 5D Note Serum eyelashes today. Would make me leave you, baby. I feel for you, you made it easy for me. Yeah. Nothing that you, baby, you make me lose my mind. Maybe you wanna stay the night. Time goes fast, I don't care. I've known you long enough. Baby, you make me lose my mind. Maybe you wanna stay the night. Time goes fast, I don't care. I've known you long enough. When we go, we lose track of time. You and I, we can stay inside. Time goes fast. Now I'm going to line my waterline using this black precision pencil. And then I'm going to smoke out my lower lash line, but this time I will be using the purple shade only. You're taking my hand, leading the way, staying the night. Looking at you, making your moves, there is no silence. I wish you'd never let go. All this moving. And now to really get rid of this excess powder and to lock everything into place, I'm going to use my Makeup Revolution Matte Fix Setting Spray. I just want to dance with you. Feeling that burn, I'm not getting out. Yeah, yeah. Baby, you make me lose my mind. Maybe you want to stay tonight. Alright, so time for lips now, and I will be lining them with my brown lip liner first, and then I will be going in with two of these Essence Stay Matte Lippies. One is in Duck Face and the other one is in Date Proof, and I will create a sort of gradient in the middle. Well, I'm going to create an ombre lip, but I will be using my NYX Jumbo Pencil in the shade Milk.
I need you to hear me. Never have I felt this way. I hope you feel the same. I'ma lose it out of control. Looking so sweet, but you're dynamite. I just wanna dance with you. Feeling that burn, I'm not getting out. Yeah, yeah. Baby, you make me lose my mind. Maybe you wanna stay the night.
Okay, beauty, so I don't like how this matte lip came out, so I'm going to gloss it over using my Essence Wet Look Shine 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 lip gloss.
Time goes fast. I don't
And now that you've made it here, please click on this tutorial up here to watch next, or you can go down into the comment section and watch that one, because if you loved this face beat, I know you're gonna love that one too. But if you haven't already, my darling, please subscribe to my channel and show your girl some love. I will catch up with you beauties again in my next one. Bye.